I'll be taking you through our frameworks project that we have done. This is our commands.lua file in which we have passed a list of commands. We have an option to execute commands in parallel. We can pass serial commands along with parallel, but they are taken in as arguments as a string, which later in our CPP file get read and they are pushed on the Lua stack, which are again executed in parallel or serial as per the requirement. And we have the follow function as well and the orient function. I will take you through the scene which we have generated. So as you can see, these both start executing parallelly, and you can see the that's the orient happening, and now they are crossing each other. The planes on the left too, on the extreme left, is following the plane ahead of it. As soon as the plane ahead of it starts descending, that plane starts going ahead at its own velocity to the extreme right of the scene, and the plane which just landed will go and park itself behind the plane which is already parked ahead. This is a simple scene which we tried to create, and with 4 to 5 objects. We have runway, we have a tower, and 4 different planes. And this is our main CPP code, and this is the only file which we use for our Lua code. As you can see, we have move to function, move to with function if you want to move it with something. We have rotate over a period of time function. It was a custom function made for us for orientation. And we have orient functions, follow function. Here is the parallel function, and here we take the arguments and we execute them as parallel threads. There's a serial function in which we take the arguments and execute them serially as required. And I guess that's it.